Hi everyone, please subscribe to join our math community. We got the right answer. Hit that like button and let's begin solving this tricky math problem. I wrote 8 over 5 because 8 divided by 5 equals 8 over 5. Next, I dropped the 2 but in a fraction form, so it's divided by 2 over 1. Next, I dropped the 8 but in a fraction form. And lastly, times 3 but in a fraction form. 3 over 1, 8 over 1, 2 over 1. Now we're looking at this. You start with division because it has higher priority than the addition. Same goes here. You start the math problem from left to right, or look at the first operation and work towards the right. So division, I just turned 8 divided by 5 into a fraction. Next, I look at division, okay. Then I look at the next operation, addition. I know a division has higher priority than addition. So that's why I started with 5 divided by 2, but not like that. 8 over 5 divided by 2 over 1. So this goes first because the next operation is addition. And keep looking to the right because you may have a parentheses. And if you have a parentheses, which is in the highest level in pandas, that goes first, or an exponent. So right now we're just looking at multiplication, division, and addition. No subtraction. Next, you use the keep change flip rule, So you keep the first fraction and then you change the operation from division to multiplication. And lastly, you flip the second fraction. So the 1 goes below the fraction bar and the 2 goes below the fraction bar and the 1 goes above the fraction bar. I said that right? Yes, it'll be written like this. 1 over 2. Next, you multiply across. 8 times 1 is 8 over 5 times 2 is 10. Next, I'll erase this part and then write in 8 over 10. And I can break this down further. So half of 8 and half of 10 is 4, 5. So I'll write 4 over 5. Next, you multiply first, not add, because multiplication has higher priority than addition. So 8 times 3 is 24 over 1, right? Because 1 times 1 is 1. Next, I'll erase all this and write 24 over 1. And you can just erase the fraction bar and the 1 because 24 over 1 equals 24. And just add 24 to this fraction and your answer is 4 over 5. And this is a mixed number answer. You can also get an improper fraction answer just by multiplying 24 times 5 and then add 4, right? So let's do that. And then we'll get a decimal answer. Actually, let's do the decimal answer first. So just get the 4 over 5. The 4 will be the dividend. The 5 will be the divisor. You cannot fit 5 into 4, so that's 0. And 0 times 5 is 0. And 4 minus 0 is 4. You still cannot fit 5 into 4, so the 4 needs to borrow a 0, and it becomes 40. You can fit 5 into 40 8 times, and 8 times 5 is 40, and 40 minus 40 is 0. So your decimal answer is 24.8. Your mixed number answer is 24 or 4 over 5. And the improper fraction answer is, so 24 times 5, 5 times 4 is 20, 5 times 2 is 10, plus 2 is 12. And then you add 4, right? The numerator, that's 4, which becomes 124 over 5. And there you go. This cannot be broken down further. Again, if you have not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel. And if you already did, thank you so much. Here is a happy face for you, and I'll see you in the next video.